ni dah kalau ya kun you are still assuming.
What is step one?
Step one only presumptive science. Presumptive science. Tiga ni amenorrhea. Amenorrhea means absence of menstruation. Dah kalau missing period of petty.
En kekanawan lo kunyai tegi yen.
Amenorrhea kan kalau ni amenorrhea means absence of menstruation. Dah kalau petty itu dua.
Okay.
But gila ni dah petty itu dua pola.
Yes.
Peni katu dua petty itu tengok macam kayak. Pien, there is what we call change of environment. Kadang yai, batur wali itu tutu kampala ngicia. Tapi orang ngambil dari mana grow fast, bosho siapa, toka dansa, tu dua kata dah. Ini tekuk ni, dia yacho, lah bec kabelo, mio, almost will call it you to be.
Cialo.
So amenorrhea, pala. Change of environment, no me can to be. Okay. Kali family planning methods. You are too critical more from when you buy injectables. Around tea for sometimes may pay you today. Then I tell you the amenorrhea. I have amenorrhea.
Period that
when you pay more money, pay to your family plan. Better more on the dong yard.
Okay.
At a coptiene, no me amenorrhea must be investigated. No me and pay to you today. Me are dead.
Mario.
I call change of environment.
Change of environment, yes.
Mario use of family planning.
Okay, yes.
Mario chronic infections. New to epi like to a marat attack. Eka to chatelo ruchuye. You be bleeding picara like no to a marat attack over yelle. Pedang at you to be. You need a mock on a yak. I choke in a meal, pay yak. Para.
No, that way a bore.
New year like I come commonly chronic infections.
Chronic infections.
When you told me that amenorrhea. So in Peru yeng ni dah ada ngah.
Uyah Kuntika amenorrhea.
And Mario is what we call morning sickness.
Morning sickness.
Inu chunyeti lemo tidak ngangore. Ini itu kalau kau ni dah kau dong yat. So Maria tu ri kalau tidak ngok. Ini war kaya. Not all vomitings are pregnancy. But dia tiga pola mekelo lemo chuny kere ngok. Maria dah ngakelo mana? Gino kene. Ni dekona ni chamo oburiye. Dekok. Oya lemo chuny ngok ada kau ini gaya.
Ini take oh ya kau.
Ini ya kau. Angole dah tadong. So, only picker is spitting of saliva. Okay. Picker tadi yang ngomong jami.
Louder kita bi.
Siapa kena nunggu dah ni? Dia yer kita macam yara. Dia yer. Dislikes of other foods. Acaman.
Ada mana yang nak yer lu joy.